Safety.
The sources of light can be classified into two types, natural and man-made.
Our main natural source of light is the sun. Stars, fire, and fireflies are natural sources of light that light up the evening. Torches, candles, bulbs, and lanterns are man-made sources of light, and they brighten up our home.
Good morning! Wake up! Charu and Asahi! Look, the sun is rising!
Good morning, Dad. The view looks amazing. The sun is slowly making the day warm and bright.
True. Waking up early in the morning is a good habit. Just looking at the sun makes me calm.
Indeed, Asahi. Now, do you know the importance of sunlight?
Yes, Dad. The sun gives us heat and light.
Also, sunlight provides vitamin D to the body.
Plants use sunlight to make their own food.
Great job, kids! Sunlight also regulates our sleep and waking cycle.
Oh, Dad, the sunlight plays a vital role in our life. We are really thankful for it.